Welcome! In front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the upper and the lower buttons to scroll through the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and select the option called Settings, and then press the middle button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu by pressing again lower or upper buttons. Select the option called Do Not Disturb. As you can see, it says off now. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And to enable it, you can simply press the middle button, like this, and once it says on, it means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to go back to menu, you can simply select the back button and press it, or press the middle button to go back, then select home button and press it to go back to home screen. To disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply do the same thing. So open the menu, select the settings, select Do Not Disturb, and press the middle button until you see the off option. And then you can go back to the home screen if you want. As you could see, there's another option option when you cycle through the Do Not Disturb mode options. We have off, on, and mirror phone. If you enable this option, basically what it does is if you enable Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, it will also enable Do Not Disturb on your watch. So if you prefer this option, you can also enable it. Okay, let's switch it to off and then go back to watch face. And basically that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.